other strangers stayed safe. To all of our leaders and our lifelines who never stopped working. To the first responders, the last ones to leave, and those who gave us the power to keep going. To everyone who made a difference during Hurricane Matthew.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. A wind advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 79 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, showers early, thunder possible, low 54, chance of rain 60%. Wednesday, sunny skies, high 68. Wednesday night, showers later at night, low 49, chance of rain 40%. Here's our 7-day outlook.